Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect AHREFS to Google Data Studio, which is now called Looker Studio. The first thing I want you to do once you are on your dashboard is come here and click on Create on the left-hand panel. And from here, in this drop-down, click on Data Source. Okay? Now, once this page loads up, I just want you to go ahead and search AHREFS. Okay? Just search this up. And then right here, we will see different connectors. And what I want you to do is click on this one right here. So you can click on AHREFS Rank Tracker, Site Explorer, or Site Audit, depending on what you're trying to connect. Okay. Now here, as you can see, these are all by AHREFS themselves. So I'll just choose the Site Explorer one. Then you come here, click on Authorize. So you can see it will prompt you to log in with your Google account first. Go ahead and authorize your Google account. So I'll just select my Google account right here. And then we need to authorize to AHREFS. So come click on authorize. It'll give you the pop-up. You'll sign in with our Google account here as well. And give it the permissions. There we go. Allow the permissions. And that pop-up will close. And now we will need to go ahead and connect to AHREFS itself. So we need to authorize here. Click on authorize. So this is the third authorization. The first one was for Looker Studio and our Google account. The second one, okay, I'll select my account right here. Click on there. Click on allow. And here we go. We should be connected in just about now. So we have allowed it right here. There we go. Authorization has succeeded. As you can see, and now you can close this, and this will go ahead and initialize, right? And it's really that easy and simple.